The topic of today's video is how to check screen time on a laptop that uses Windows 11. So first things first, don't forget to check the links in the description of this video. We've got tons of useful resources just for you. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing that you want to do is go into your Windows settings, and you can do that by going to the Start button and just clicking on Settings. Now here you want to be clicked on System, and then on your laptop you'll see Power and Battery. You want to click on that. Now here in Power and Battery, we are going to scroll down till we see Battery Usage. If we click on this, it'll bring up this drop down menu, and in here you'll be able to see Screen on Time. And that is how easy it is to find it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. Don't forget to check out the links in the description of this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.